How you look even better in the morning, wrapped up laying in my bed. How I did it, just don't get it. I look at you and just shake my head. Cause out of 7 billion people on the planet, never understanding how you ended up with me, girl. It's just one of those mysteries of the world. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. Thanks for watching. I want to ask you, if you enjoy this video, to please hit like and subscribe. It helps more people see it if you do that. So yeah, if you can do that, if you enjoy the video, all right, please hit like and subscribe. Also, so you can get notified when I come out with new country music songs and stuff, all right? So if you guys have other songs you want to learn, let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to get to it. This song was requested. This is a Walker McGuire song that's really great. I didn't know it. The only song by Walker McGuire I knew was Lost. And so I'm really grateful to know this one too. So this one is Mysteries of the World. So I'm going to walk you through how to play this. This is a pretty simple song. There's only a handful of chords in it. So you're going to do F, all right, C, standard tuning and capo on the first fret, by the way. You're going to do G and A minor. Okay, those are the chords you're going to use for the song. All right, so the intro, you're going to do F. So you're doing F, C, G, A minor. So the strumming pattern is, so you're doing F, C, G, A minor, then just F, C, G, and then you're going to go into the verse, okay? So you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so because you don't do the A minor the second time. Okay, so then what you're going to do, you're going to play it either really softly, the same strumming pattern that you did before, or for the verses, or you're going to play it like palm mute it. Why does beer have to taste so good? Okay, so you're just doing down, down, down. Why does beer, see that? Down, 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 down. All right. Why does beer have to taste so good? Too much of it makes you feel so bad. I don't know the melody to the verses super well, but so you're gonna do down, 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 down. Okay, so you're doing the same thing here, but you're just doing F, the same chord progression, but you're just doing F, C, G, A minor. All right, and you're repeating that mostly. Okay, so you're gonna do F on Y. Why does beer have to taste? Taste a C. Taste so good. And then you go to G after good, okay? But too much makes you feel. Feel is A minor. Feel so bad. Okay, I'm gonna not palm mute it so you can hear it better. All right, bad. And then you go to F after bad. Why are some days empty? Okay, so you do F, C again. So Y is F. Why are some days empty? Sorry. Why are some days empty hooks? And, okay, so then you do G. And some days it seems, so then you're going to do G, all right, A minor, but then you're going to do G, F again, okay? So you're going to do, why are some days empty hooks? Okay, then G. And some days it's every, okay, then every is A minor, every other. So you do every other cast, okay? So every is A minor, every other is G, other cast. Okay, cast is F, and you're gonna stay with F. Is there a shooter on the grassy? Grassy is C, grassy no. And then G. Where did D.B. Cooper? So D.B. Cooper is where you can do, is where you can do A minor. Cooper go. And then F on hell. Hell the socks where, let's see. Hell where do socks go? In the dryer go. So dryer is C. Dryer go. Alright, then G on after go. I guess some things guess some things you ain't meant to know, like. So you would normally do A minor there, but you're just gonna let it go, okay? I guess some things you ain't meant to know, like. And then you're gonna go to the chorus, all right? You're gonna go. So this is where we're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna do how you look even better in the morning. So you're gonna do F. I'll walk you through where the chords go and then the chord progression on it. Okay, or sorry, and then the chord strumming pattern. So you're gonna then go on F is on how. How does sun? Oh, let's see. How you look even better in the morning. So you're gonna do F on how. How you look even better. Better is C. Better in the morning. Then you go to G. Wrapped up laying in is A minor, in my bed. Okay, so you're gonna go real quickly from A minor to G to F. In my bed. Okay, so you do bed is G, bed, and then go back to F. Cause out of 7 million, let's see. Cause out of 7 billion people is C. So F is C is cause, and then people is C. People on the planet. Okay, then you go to planet, you go to G right after. Planet, never understand it. How you, okay, so how is A minor. How you ended up is G. Up with me, girl. Me is F, me, girl. And then this part you're just gonna strum down. All right, and then do one last like strum. It's just one of those mysteries of the world. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. It's just how you look even better in the morning. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just doing that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, and then once you get done with the chorus, then you're just going to do F. Okay, so you're just going to do what you did for the intro again. But so the same strumming pattern, everything. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you play it. So you're just going to do F, C, G, A minor, and then F, C, G, and then you're going to go into the second verse. Okay, so it's a very easy song. Those are the chords. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything about the strumming pattern or the chord progression or anything. Okay, but yes, it's been a really fun song. It's been fun teaching it to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.